nyina ne ze ndey no wo akonya ze wonye dumfie dum otwere kwa animu a odo ho be hwem na aboa na ne ma deda ye pa etimi edi ama na de ete ne ze de omode aba mo no edi golden booking code no ze na wonye dumfie dum otwe na okom site wa bebu atwa 100% back okrike so na urama obonse hye pretimi ada ma be hu the golden booking code no fa enyi bi fi memfa bi nka ho se utwa from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana ye du wa osika no nyere ma back se niam deda di na so no obomode etimi edi omo a na jese ye behwe na ya bomode ama wanya sika ne back udi so a obenya sika bebre na niam akoye pretimi edi ama terms and conditions ya dia omo apply no omo dwuma de ni bertwe west masne ba udu momo vrenda bi ona uze ne bertwe omo posters ni bi bo a bomode na timi ye na jese top up no na ye won hihye pa wo meboa mane ma akoye pere ama se no be kwa ama no ne akakosua de akakọ ejumade de express group ne do ko akakọ ramia ne bi te se Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, Germany ye robeko no akakosua de scholarship ye be gide ama admission no ye gide ama visa on sensem no ye de be ram se ne to na akọ na sepo no holidays no express group ne also to monkra international exams tuition and registration no amobo modin ye BIT IELTS no SAT no GRE no GMAT no to phone ne de aka no mo ye enti form number na ne omunni nkomo na nkofo etwe di ache 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 na 0555 550 067 0555 550 ene Kumase awdo wani choma safu liberal about onyomo Accra Kaneshi First Lab onyomo tema community 18 Lashibi Goyo Filling Station no obenyomo na East Legon omo ben Trinity Theological Seminar Takra di Sunyane Tamale bibiani bebia no omo bo ejuma ntiko na express group for M1 na ne man de ye print me emfa maintenance man sana ne awram no meko me man bana wa baba be rama na afia man no nkomo na ready ama you see a draw no exactly 11 o'clock am ni na na the update no ababe rameda manamo Sompa sika promotion o hemi na utie mi atwa na abedi 500 Ghana me cheba kwa no pay me be sorry so a masan di bia ramti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na ne ma dadi party ma meko me mema na ba amano ne nkomo ye de to aso amamo
right Breno sales na no pan ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down ye nya dajeje jamu yompo e wa amano ne nsem ye nhase na ye breaking it down free African Footballer of the Year and we alla tenia brantia ye friend Victor Osimhen na otwa indeed what say was fantasy dia basu body no edmanu pemo Italy e omu scudetto no ma team of Napoli against Cagliari na game no koso no Victor Osimhen shego bia na no dene otwa babia na ball ni free and kwa brantia Victor Osimhen afa so ni tipping ball no to atena no na sefata enu nam so ma wiase obia bo brante Victor Osimhen obia bonabaso eso wo sefata sesa go na wo share no indeed na no dabakaya me babre breaking it down atimao eseti me for Napoli on panyimfo shase ni dim komo eso panyin no on fa no manguna kwama na bianya kama we na assist no hwe na assist no ye wo shego ba ko assist ye we crazy assister wo timi dem akware scalia and to atem wiase nyina bonabaso and we Victor Osimhen no ni gon wodi ni tipanyan no wodi ato atenam na assist ni babia calculation no every year buyer wo timi control odi ne nine and ne sere etimi etapo bona ansan wa system akware scalia amwode bona to atenam no wo sefata na no ada Di Laurentiis e diabeto ya se 1 year contract extension ekwesi 2026 omudema no ama bia kama Ricardo ni go no one wa me feel kakra baby across ni free buyer o peja edi ni tipanyan edi to atrem no na se bi bia dem kama enu ya brante Victor Osimhen dia bedi emam no ne wo yitili dem fanto anem so pemo time even Juventus omuni a brante Federico Chiesa edi nkomo oma shase ni agent no edi nkomo pesa brante Keza omutime standing contract contract no ema bet me fine o check here omo shase bono no e ya de sa che na omo pesa Brante Federico Chiesa West End de momo ema bet me fine eno e de Juventus omo so ye ba ye di mam na no pay odwumade no so mami nwra mo Milan o beke o Scudetto no omo bo game Milan game omo against Monza o pemo San Siro omo winning L3-0 and yet Tijani Rantes and your Brantia ye finish Jean-Carlo Simic and your Brante Noah Okafor and a share goes now Kodana ye Jean-Carlo Simic no just 18 years and what did not pemo Milana so far omo bomb modern I had test omo academy players so far this season omo akwenya academy players etimi siakan because of injuries Milan o check this season players from academy nima team from Milan amoma kwenya di kama 15-year-old boy ye from Francesco Camada omoma na kwenya na nru akoda no be second goal ye Jean-Carlo Simic no wadi 8 omoma na kwenya na David Batsagi also 17 years omo ema na kwenya na Chaka Traore also 18 years no ye Milan de Froba ye checha mu diamamo na no pay odwumade no so mami ntinsem na menya adwuma ewo me pacho the newly FIFA Club World Cup the maiden edition ebeto 2025 ewo America no na no na FIFA edo official announcement the buy so far expanded version no ya de sebeto 2025 na ukopema FIFA mpanyimfo say edin official name omote beto so no Mundial the clubs FIFA Mundial the clubs FIFA dia the new brand new club World Cup competition say be sasama 2025 upema said the likes of Chelsea Manchester City and Real Madrid already qualify na ukopema adese say and unsunso no nsem no ukopema city says confederations and the teams be through aba be siakan na Chelsea 2021 Champions League omujiye Man City edge 2023 and already qualify mu room a bia sweat my fine na ukopema yamfanton so pa bi prema sa clubs way se omutimi de CAF Champions League next season and next year betimi awram ewo ASS FIFA Club World Cup to the 2025 na pebe your Pyramid your TP Mazembe your ASEC Mimosa your Young Africans Etoile du Sahel Joanne Galaxy FC Nouadhibou and Medema se omutimi de CAF Champions League eguso to next year baku biano do Benjamin Tmawram 2025 I'm a bad kama na ukopema yamfantuane and said teams were from Africa ye day and ya say 2024 betmako you obi say Kaizer Chiefs one team Ramuda you obi say Raja Casablanca one team qualify for the maiden edition 2025 you obi say Zamalek omun team ko you obi say Orlando Pirates on team kwa Santi Kotoko and team ko Goma here and team kwa Nyimba and team kwa Zesco United USM Warriors and opema Joanne Galaxy just watch it and yes Sadia one team ko na ukopema yamtwe teams are qualified as so far omu domu de omu kono na opema kafa pe omu classification omu chema se oponse ali etima wura na opema so far bitse Mamelodi Sundowns points clubs na nya no enye Mamelodi Sundowns 81 points Esperance omo Tunisia 75 points CR Belouizdad 59 points Pedro Atletico 49 points Simba 45 and Al Hilal 33 na mu rama clubs omo already omo qualify mu kono opema de 10 say na se Al Hilal on to red walk na DLL ono so elko your Palmeiras ono so elko your Flamengo ono so elko your Fluminense and your club Leon from Mexico and we would that AC and watch no urama cheso Orwa Red Diamonds omunyina urama Montreux Settle Sundowns omunyina no betima rama bia eswet my fine and you are there by room nyame pechina CAF Champions League Tanzania with that omadru Tanzania omu hotel omni Simba edba pim so far no madidem kama na utwa mu hotel omo me sidia na utwa opanyina Fauzi Benzati ono so ni train no chance and with that athletic for you know Sompa Ramsey or no Babe take over what they come a BFI and we are debate toward the sound as for Tanzania Omni Ahila Tuesday China Omubabo I'm a back camera at toward the Sala almost we bet them come as for at the moment now almost 2 games no me patro Ebeto Benjamin in Kalpa Stadium on a game to Tanzania Sompa Omni with that Ebebo Nyamepa Awia na at toward the sound as soon Ahila as so numere na Mweska Tumbi obeka the presidential ambition no and opam the 20 say they may take campaign no likely as a Wednesday election beto do DR Congo the president Mati Pimazembe betimi win the elections no also the LD People's Party Reconstruction Democracy Eduamoba and your opinion from Mweska Tumbi onu nere as a battle no also a businessman multi businessness onu nisika no eye dewa multi-billionaire no ede dewa mi jaja mutamam na Antoine Modesti and the FIFA Club World Cup no boss 6 p.m. Fluminense from Brazil and the Alina ban red card no ali 4 years say ankomu ko FIFA akwa pilamu over 10 FIFA kano ede akere wo for Antoine Modesti and no edeba na no penya Marcelo or no bo Edma Fluminense left back wo na yenya pasitao eso ali di etima ye friend Ali na some de apem so ma bia etma kama na FIFA Club World Cup no and we semi final game 1 de best no we Marcelo no na se pasitao eso ani abre no edeba mi jejamo mintis mo UEFA Champions League and then a round of 16 and opaya less than an hour na sana say akabe 1 and be 10 minutes bi na sa draw ni toka na opema round of 16 no say enetie e ya dey say the seeded teams no e yo mo win wo group no and then say unseeded so ebe runners up no na say pot 1 pot 2 no and match mu pema on pot 1 ebe Arsenal Atletico Madrid your Barcelona Bayern Munich your Borussia Dortmund your Manchester City Real Madrid and a Real Sociedad and what you pema omba ko runners up and pot 2 no unseeded no your FC Copenhagen your Inter your Lazio your RB Leipzig your Napoli PSG your FC Porto na PSV omo enebe ram na Ricardo Mami Veros destinations no baby obi a timer ubenya draw ni bi ahwe no na me fam bia so fam mo wo ha na so piemu a eye Porto na se ho 11 am and omo benya bi ahwe London 11 am Manchester 11 am Ghana 11 am Munich at 12 and benya bi Leipzig at 12 Dortmund at 12 Barcelona eso no ubenya ne 12 nun ya na so grama de teano no Rome at 12 and Paris at 12 and Milan at 12 Naples at 12 and Eindhoven at 12 na Copenhagen eso at 12 and no so far time abenya bi ahwe and me jejamo eso edemano and some pina bana pema potential opponent Barcelona betuma show no Roma City City Barcelona eso betuma PSG obetuma Inter Barca betuma Napoli obetuma Lazio RB Leipzig and a PSV and a Copenhagen Barcelona betuma omumu bako okwa Real Madrid Madrid say onu betuma Inter obetuma Lazio obetuma PSG obetuma Copenhagen o sha PSV Leipzig ana ushama na Porto no ededawa ye jejamu diamamo otuma de nso pe Mauricio Sarri no team of Lazio boss no was na come chene ne mpa ne joto a wanu nyina no eso benchia Barcelona tetia je open enko Boca Juniors ya desa omo club presidential elections no omatuma ye omiye no panya 1 Roman requirement ono ena wini abano one se Boca Juniors or baby omo president ama bekama me patron mame orewe 1 Roman requirement on one kasa na so pay no daso no ye fere Diego Martinez de mete ura ye fere no Roman requirement ya wini presidential elections no omo no agreement opanyi we and the betimi aba na waba aba ye Boca Juniors omo coach ama be ye fine and you dey na ye nko FIFA omo the official announcement aba ɛsɛ 2025 under 20 World Cup no Chile and a hosting right no omonsa etimiaka and ye Jenny Infantino a confirm Jamaye ɛsɛ Chile and ye host to 2025 under 20 World Cup no I'm a bear kama and no edda pamaswa ye jam edamamo no pima Jose Mourinho and no pima or that to a Premier League no ye say team benefit match was Man City 51% so bet match and watch Liverpool 49% so bet match say Arsenal was na that's Arsenal entumi anye anu ye de na John Mikel Obi ni podcaster ye fan Obi one podcast no and omuto nsafre owura Mourinho and you say na opendient na we agree say Obi one podcast no obeba so yente kakra
podcasts. So why John Obi Mikel?
Because he was my first boy to ask me to do it. Because he's my boy. You know, I keep saying this thing to everybody. In this moment in Rome, I have boys, my boys, with 18 years old, that they played the first game with me, that they grew up with me. They are my boys, and they are 18.
I know your Mourinho Ebusana was share when the first boy our friend say Omrana podcast no so nti and or buy and why the boy so no na Ebusa Mourinho say papa nya why your boy dia woni ni nkomo ye wetam na Mourinho ni John Mikel Obi di nkomo fa omma no ho no and so feeling pa.
Ciao boss.
How about the kids?
Very well, thank you very much, boss.
How old are they?
They're 8 now. They're growing, yeah, so fast. 2 girls. They time just flies. They're 8 years old now, and all they want to do is go shopping.
the sun in Dubai helps.
Exactly. And it's so much for them to do in Dubai as well. So it helps.
And no, I am Mourinho and John Mikel Obi on Obi-Wan podcast. And I'm doing Mourinho say, Papa, TNT now converted John Mikel Obi. Say, attacker midfielder. To Mujebaya call me back as defensive midfielder.
To my right tells me he's a better number 10 than he is a number 4. You think differently, Jose. What did you see in this boy for number 4?
In the national team, he can be what he wants, but not.
Mourinho say the national team ni there so I'm number 10 ah dem pa bia mutim de ne ye ne wona Nigeria nyame ho me ho de me pe na me ye na ope bibia wo John Mikel Obi ho enu ensem odi tu dwa ye de emam na no pe oduma de no so yenko David Delapa ma me bra no free banaba no anopam de to anim say ACL wa sofa masara wo sem so far ram La Liga 9 players and this season just December ma sofa ACL around na bra owra ye friend David Alaba every benaba ho no na around no na da so ticket ma woko on some that told me say next season 2024-2025 season no one try won team nshase na ma medical report no na me hwe ne kakra ne medical report Reverend David Alaba the medical report na ba no pay no na sa around pa o hwe ne medical report na after some scan no after the test carried out, our player David Alaba has been diagnosed with a rupture of the anterior cruciate ligament of the left knee. The player will undergo surgery in the next few days. And no idea Benatoni Cruz and no winning game no kwan IG page. Don't also have 12 David Alaba no na very sad where Tony Cruz and no winning game ni no sini prano prano lose eso edimo o shane saro sempa and no ede Donald and upon the team some Madrid market Jinri ako center back Edunaba Demi Somo Ramsa Boyna your friend Antonio Silva bet me a favorite Madrid for bet me dinaba Ashama Bia eso etma kama and we are dear by me jamna Madrid season way almost suffer 20 different injuries this season kwano 20 different injuries and a Madrid suffer young Rudiger agro na ni so baby Rudiger be di agro hwe omufi dressing room background camera na etwa no okotwa camera ni kotu aba Rudiger hwe ama na ji Rodrigo kransem hwe okotwa no kotu hwe Rudiger basa Rudiger pa what the amano and you de na Carlo Ancelotti say the center back no where so the Chouamini Ebekon wakobo center back na se wahwa me bia kama and you Chouamini no person de ne ko na bia kama na Choumu be boaboa no me bia fine na de me say Juni Calafat or no and I heard madro mo scouts no where panyin o da no adwuma wo say otimi wuraguram no okwohwe na opɛ center back bi de ne ba na bia kama ebi ma ene de ne say Chouamini na be hwa akiro ho na Endrick papa eso hwese ne ba no ebetimi de eye joy abre Real Madrid omutim no ne ba no nse Bernabeu abro mo chi Villarreal abom no na so ne na busu ne nyina to no ne Juni Calafat enyina eto no mo esere Jude Bellingham shego no celebrate na bia fine no e de ba me de emma ne papa eso de joy ebeba na we Luka Modric wa be the oldest player 38 years 99 days watimi ashego asa assist oko 5 major European leagues in ma on the ISR record no na Rafinha yes one person be free Barcelona sa winter we mo na so club ni so mutie office offer bia ba on be jai am na ko eno e de mete am de man apia Barcelona e try so mo a contact to River Plate for Claudio Echeverri eso omu betimi dinapa na be say financial fair play amadin ay complicated no person mu try between 25 to 30 million euros City Chelsea and no machire and we are there but apia mo Sevilla almost no de mete no say ne yon person mu wie coach ye friend Kiki Sanchez Flores almost person de ba within some hours obe PM e was Sevilla no abehwa me bia so ye kama no abe replace Diego Alonso and no e de dawa ye de emam e wo edwumadie no so and no NSMP eso no na say ye di to anim say Premier League board no almost say almost pese almost ne e team aye friend no e Luton Town no bomb off e din command next week no mo so mo game no on be any replay and answer baby on boduru na 1-1 no on bitimi asia to aso a eno e de dawa ye de emam odwumadie ye nyina so na nsema odo eboabo no na no pay no ye mfansi na mom Arsenal de Kai Havertz ye yada no papa ye you baby akoba bi o krodoso a ye ntrafa akunya no because Kai Havertz so was 5 goals o from Arsenal former standing ovation Havertz ni ovation Havertz ni ovation Arsenal that's we fan juba de nyina na anopa ye mfa mo no nsem nsia.
Sompa achedie yaba Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame sompa pa ne say obi ko wunyanka ene awisia mobo enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronye yebema enisia ene akrafo edidi na yenko aye
Pana Ositi positioned himself by playing 70 good minutes for AC Milan now. He proved, say Abu Dhabi, or your brand AC Milan could count on him for some time and monitor him well. Say the bomb building the future. No, Amani Omakoye Diamano. No, she go ni no call fast call a pigeon inside the trauma, me. Yes, signs be at the trauma. I mean, out to me say na come ye pa. Saka videos na ready. I come to me a play at the in terms of SMH. Call fast with the shane go. Then the statistics during the game. Then my boy in terms of choir the players na na send the supporting players ne ban ho. Ebebo mo mo ni besum. We are branch of moko scouting no in the 2022 under-17 European Championship. Abu Dhabi omo turn for 200,000 euros. Only the man go shine class IS Ronko. Ne AC Milan the Monza na press on Besani Abranteno after the 2022 under-17 European Championship. And Serbia for no one say this time around no omo ye center backs be a age or mafa. And in the near future no, they could be the foundation of our national team no. Omo she betima heading. Already you betima kasaba Pavlovic. No no ni see a kind more. Ubetima kasaba Nikola Milenkovic. No Fiorentina ono so
yes.
Then ubetima kasaba Strahinja. No so honum. But Ude Abranti and when your chance Giancarlo Simic ebe kanwa. I think say ono na age one for one of the best centre backs of the under-17 European Championship in 2022 now. It's only a matter of a dream come true. So between 2022 and 2023, where Timmy making an opportunity to play for on one at 17, becoming one of the best centre backs of the tournament. Number 2, AC Milan was signed for 200,000 euros. Number 3, we're making a debut for AC Milan. Not only debuted, but with Timmy born home one day. That's
the way no a possible so Kakribia euros maybe a bit me.
Oh, you don't know Kakribia euros no bet me akobi. Don't hear the consistency. Now India set it up or AC Milan team. 2 year consistent Kakribia. The opportunity so benya akwenya de rem ne bedos we and then the statistics near brutal abu 70 minutes for AC Milan. You understand say na the records the tackling passes he had 92% passing accuracy and it tells you the level of confidence Kuta Brantia you finish Giancarlo Simic and Osiakai at the moment the whole stadium was up on their feet clapping for him and I feel Serbia have discovered another gem and this guy will go on Lankasania won Germany
yes
but Serbian descent. It is Serbia for them say after Pavlovic, Mune, Milenkovic, Munina, this guy and when he height, when he stature, Abu Bema pa. It is AC Milan have discovered another one. Then Abu Dhabi, you move on and you move to England. England and your mom you see this particular weekend. The Edikai, Mohamed Kudus and the first brace in the English Premier League for West Ham.
Yes.
I think Kudus and the level of ball striking ability needs to be taught well. Faso a striker ball and it's incredible and not only for West Ham Obagana Kwana had the ball no ball and the ball striking abilities is top there and I think West Ham is getting the best out of Kudus Mohammed, especially playing him closer to the penalty box more as a right attacking midfielder. You're a right midfielder, right winger, right attacking midfielder. So right attacking midfielder, more of the times you switch within the middle, once take it to the touch line. And who could do that? It fit him so well because of the foot, or striker or drifting by left now. Or you shoot to then. And I'm imagining how West Ham is going to cope without him doing the AFCON. Gradually, it is becoming a West Ham team. It's becoming a Mohamed Kudus team. He drives them forward, and anytime or more into any tight space to make sure so make immediate create chance beyond. It is from Kudus. Kudus offers them Adia Michel Antonio, no the mom. Michel Antonio hold that play. Metuma catch saying the EPL is one of the best. Or just now so no jebo no to na so a. All done and hold the ball na kono. So but the difference between Kudus and Michel Antonio ni Nigeria say Michel Antonio will love to use space. Or prebo no to anima no do mienu. And na holding pampe. But Kudus Mohammed have this particular skill set of keeping the ball becoming press resistant. Someone who na betimi na ono be so no wako. You don't even know whether so be so and on so. You can't predict him. And obetimi on your smaller space be na he will shoot. Michel Antonio gets a smaller space and will have to go on a run with you. The difference between the two of them no. Kudus is becoming a danger man for West Ham. But Abu you moving on now be PM where Anfield. Manchester United ni Liverpool. And Abu the bigger picture of everything we saw Enra. Liverpool supporters is 34 shot, 8 shot on target.
About it, Van Dijk's mama wobo.
na omo tiny city shi omo kom kobobo huh abu na no dey ya city ko shi omo
omo dey Liverpool shi
omo ni city shi we ti ada omo kobobo
ya omo nsuro city
omo nye dey
omo nsuro Man City
mo
ana unti omo timi share 5
adi abeba o Van Dijk azem na me o kamene na nyadwe na so obi aba game a de obey o de benya results no
yes rakomi ase omo kwa kan omo to twum tia city
abu
enye yen
abu kai sa Anfield game bi na Alice ball one particular long pass to Mohamed Salah no
yeah
city no mo share lemon green jersey
me kai za
so kai sa
game lo pa
so kai sa game
me kai pa
ha ana 4-1 bi na e course wo Etihad so kai sa game Liverpool ball shot on target back up
me kai
so kai sa game and no mo ko so mo ko defend and no mo ko so mo ko e mo ko bo
sa for one say na share first goal
be away
Liverpool
defend ya o sha won ka out
Liverpool na say first goal sentence won kwa so who ball 31% say the yeso e ba o fear yeso be ball 31% in 32 Abu Liverpool is failing to understand the full picture of their problem they are having.
Fantastic.
The last few games Liverpool are scrapping wins so you are aware.
Me aware.
In the latter minutes of the game na Liverpool akwa share not their winning. Na Liverpool share not their winning. The whole bigger picture of Liverpool's team no I'm failing to understand here say they need to get their strikers scoring as soon as possible before Mo Salah be AFCON.
Oh, okay.
And no 34 shots no boy and 8 on target no emu 4 na Mo Salah. Na me who say XG no mo can 2.35 2.3 say. For opta analysis for statistics be to Soma Everas. Kasa about baby a Liverpool shot no mo bokoye. The number of shots in the boy then you understand the low XGs and the high XGs. Abu way Liverpool 0 goals XG ni say 2.35. Man United did not 0.63 34 shots 6 shots for Man United 8 on target 1 for Man United 69-31 but share graph na that's when say di Abu Dhabi on say cycle na yekese pa no share low XG ni high XG no low XG ni enketenkete ni mienu na high XG ni akese mienu
okay
wa share ba bi a Liverpool shot ni bebrebe ni wo no akese se na atan wo
kese no as endorse bi aza me za
kese pe wo mkra ye
ba ko pe kese pa ye ba ko pe
na nim sa kese ko no e ho na Kunate gina dane ne ho boss a shot e ho na Kunate e gina ya o dane all of the shots na was bebrebe na low XG and e determine and the doors boom so in context Liverpool making it seem that they created a lot of huge Liverpool because of they will create better chances than what I've seen. But the XG numbers that is there, no say kasi boom. Ni actually even teams who create even bigger chances are. And making sure at the end of the day, no more XG ni be was in clear cut chances on betimi dia sha. Liverpool 34 shot ni 8 shot on target ni nyina no. Big chance kasi PM na Abu Dhabi in terms of high XG na eba ope. And that's we. Unim said Diego Jota in the Premier League was 4 goals.
Yes.
Luis Diaz has 3. Darwin Nunez ni na machire kakra. Gapo 2. In the last few games, Darwin Nunez scored 10 games abra won shegu. Oi, Mo Salah anase bia Van Dijk mo na Zobosa ne McAllister bi o be pull shot bi free fifi. The attackers are not scoring. That is what Liverpool should be looking out to.
No mujai di omo kekana.
And no such chances no munya. If the attackers are scoring, Liverpool will be having a high XG and be scoring these goals.
But no crazy no munya draw na mobuzi.
Abu, Manchester United is not happy with that particular draw. Because Manchester United could have literally won the game in a typical old-fashioned Manchester United style. Play nothing, get something out of the game. Play nothing, get something out of the game.
Do a fair result.
Abu, it is a fair result.
A fair result.
It is a fair. Statistics in the Gusu na match be a high XG.
Book Nitro.
Book Nitro. Meboa.
Yes.
Book Nitro na Book Nitro.
Book Nitro.
Statistics na be go on the amount. In the Gusu. But what Liverpool needs to fix, c'est ça la Côte January. No man Darwin Nunez man pigi omo money boom. Na so boss la man fa goals bi a match bi. Ti say the Bellingham ye ni bi ni McAllister man ye bi say the Bellingham ye ni bi. Na Jota anya fit and ma Liverpool might be in trouble.
Mate, medal se pa meza. Bishop, baba so na ya to aso ne di nkoma na mo Sompa sika promotion obetimi aba na waba betwa no wadi star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash warom na aboa na ne ma koye pere ma akwa aba koye 5 Ghana cedi twagum week ye ra na esmas na ye di no na obedi no wadi ni agi so onye ska ti star 256 star free hash and am di ka credit chose ne ye to dan bia edan na free ye papa na bibi esi no so ne ye na ne po no so ya de wo fom pa mo va jezen kan ne ye kasa na ze na ehera nya ya bare si de dema ba bi obi ate enka na se ne te e 9 bedrooms yes toilet and bath ne ye 5 and ye store room baako bibi abenu aduane ne ye mako 9 ne ye wo ho kese di dynamic no e 9 bedrooms and ne ye ton toilet and bath no e num na fi store room ne ye baako ye bibi abenu aduane ye 9 na ye wo ho kese pa na Oberman UGC ya ebe main street no nti okrumpa ne bo no so wo form and awe intermediate bi anim me de number ne tudwa frɛ na ni nipa kro ne nkasa one ne kasa na ye ya ode so no so peso baba be ye fiura no onso ebeba metimi era me zanze dan de unya wanya japade sonko pa number no 0547 469 294 0547 469 294 na 0203 111 535 0203 111 535 tife na ne omo ni nkomo na yembo na da so no mram ne bo no e wo fom pa esan wo krumbrema UGC ya bishop ze bibia de dam de
na me adom
na weekend no so ye
I come up
they say mo squad no why na mo dizie no
ye fancy obia ye tu ana mo mpa ne ayen hwehwe se ne be ya Ghana Black
ba massa meet provisional list ne de ko ba mo mpezi be hu bi
nyama abonte be ba abonte
o ze Nigeria for de ne na abonte ano pa ya o aba but the meme papa so ni mo no kra ne etia no
mo yembe hye
anya fofra ka we mu ana mo
so mo ha one na share brace over the weekend why
alo mo da bia shegu
good me da say
mo ai
did the championship Aribo championship it will be Fulham Alasa Yusuf ni baby of free bar Fisa Dele Bashiru championship Rafael Onyedika onu kanso na Kelechi Nwakale fa baby a we o Simon film Boniface o Yesu
Terry Murphy Umar Sadiq Ahmed Musa Paul Nwaju Sarah Dresses Adimola Lukman Nathan Teller Mosi Simon Emmanuel Dennis Samuel Chukwueze Kalechi Hianacho
we mu de bia din say ya so bala 10 dru so a ye ni o mu dru
we mi amitima yi bia fi mo
that's it
yankwe
me da se pi mira ma me nkopi mu a wuntumi na me ncha na na ma amwako ene na na ma ni birthday na na ma e marketer wuntumi
nana
na ma
na ba kra no o times bi
ba kono
me mi a fama ni so kakra
o ya ye fucking
nana Oya fucking
happy
birthday come on.
Bona come here can I no cre. E unso aha na ni no kan ni about look. Yenim say dey amame sala beko. I say boys le mom so. And then this idea to jam pack players no and walk okay. There's a new news also mo job home. Yeah, send a be sala kwa no mabebo. Yeah, we need that.
Also, mo job mama.
Sala kwa no.
No, Mentias say.
No, you see, I'm sorry, ma. Until so be play against Tottenham. Because the Gakpo was offering more. He also strikes the ball very well and he carries the ball well.
Yes.
But Diaz has the tendency to cut in instead of going to dribble these days. Meaning say injury no nya you know, say the papo. But he has a dip in dribble form.
Yes.
Diaz also by Liverpool for na dribble unti. Diaz no J man the position man the ball central. And in that year, Liverpool chasing quadruple. Man in this line in our AFCON. But Liverpool didn't miss them. Not Diaz.
Yes.
Not Jota. They took care of the business. So this guy should take care of the business. Now, am I to say I want to man share no some question more?
Want me and show more for no more show more travel. Nah, father the chess away be. Bebao. Have the lectures away be.
Tell some question more because so much Ebedro na Liverpool empire top for normal pre-league no.
Tina di Bresopa.
No, I think that game is in April or late April or April. So that's it. No, me pesa. Me pesa.
And I will do a lot as you coach there. I will do a lot as you coach.
That will be a problem.
Bishop Nye Punes here.
Aye.
Only a permanent.
Now watch near the Pamu coach no. I know how what draw. Oh now
I a permanent. I'm more boa red team kit to ever have a shame with traffic.
Oh, fun.
And do only a pam no.
All right. On a more serious note, sir. I'm going to deal with that tragedy in football this weekend. Let's start with Tom Lockyer.
Yes.
Okay, you are saying I will be a hydro, a complex. The kind message be her. Na Maria, me dey know a basis at the album. Eric Alonso, I'm hoping I get the name right. Good. Or the Eric Alonso. Now send a message with mommy. Don't wait for people to become somebody before you start being nice to them. Cause it is the seeds that need attention, but not the tree. Eric Alonso. I'm sorry, your listeners maybe.
And I'll send this a message.
Don't wait for people to become somebody before you start being nice to them. Cause it is the seeds that need attention, not the tree.
Yes.
Yen kam fo yen kan asem yen nye bibia yen fa mbom no. Ni nyina akọ besi ade ba akọ ya. Life. So unim na obewu a ka obedin sam fo papa.
No Bishop.
So wow to unim da obewu be free as mo a kan se hu na obedi no. Na be ka 1 week kan ka be clear account mu ni ya edin se hu na wo wiase bi afa ka akọ because e dey amre na e dey.
Aso.
Na sidanka nyame se niema owo eye mystery no se yenim da
obeko
nti ebra alaji former Adriana coach no Yusuf
Abubakar
me ntimi deleting the phone number in free me phone so me sine Yusuf Abubakar ne line no ma ya senka metimi ayi free me phone so and so mean to me in head I made draw. So Yusuf Abubakar, Malam Yusuf number near 020-807-4015. I mean Kasha Yamian when I'm saying Malam Yusuf, I did chairman I would meaning it didn't come. Wow, our telephone so. It's Malam Yusuf you could see Malam Yusuf. Send your more friend. Oh, Aida Zongo. You could see no Aida Zongo Cramofo say. Na efi mal da Malam Yusuf efi mu me wo hwa na se me na ma na me ben se na musa nkramofo ko se funu pe se me nim nipa no na me gina se am ko heard on way ho na omo ko se Malam Yusuf no na omo kanya mesem awo ho na nipa o kanya mesem no ho no se enche kura ba bosum mienu na Malam Yusuf bae e ma ye beja Razak kwan ni si Razak ene ye ba ye ni abeja Malam Yusuf a ye ko na bisa se ye ba ha bi mu a hwan ne de ne beba ebeti ya ye bi Tom Lockyer no okras okoye adwuma wo se ne wa crash wa tade a show jacket abetina so ye adwuma sabe pe na Tom Lockyer Ofri Charlton Athletic e call Luton abwa be succeed Sonny Bradley as the captain no ke okoye adwuma ye adwuma na o da hotel nrami ntua waso ha odwo ada no pe ye won sem bibira na o senki wurem pie pa nanso Lockyer etiase dwamena wu sibia na o refia rafa dwamena onka etiase fo biem na ye ne mabro nye omunhunu so biem na ni wo no e the vacuum anase abotokro bi ato a nipa bia no obetima feles a vacuum na ma na ma ene ne yira wagya won wetwe no ene na ebusuafo oba ne betimi akoware nanso ne ma no on papa ye ba akopɛ ɔno di rafa adwabna
ɔno na ɛkɔ no
maame owu dwamna no ne ba dwamna no onhu ni bio
oh
nti say Tom Lockyer ne call park no so no onya cardiac arrest onka bi nhwemo footballers test aye almost weekly training no mo ye Tom Lockyer no nkoko wu park no so Luton for captain no ho asem ene ye king omo ne Bournemouth wa hye na tade so okoye dwuma oye Welsh
yes
ana wa ba na ne ehu ne se Tom Lockyer eda nka Luton anim onyam kese pa ada no sada na komia e kaketwa bi nkodi wuo sei no ye ball championship playoff final sada no na Tom Lockyer ekotwa hwe a enka owu so atase Tom Lockyer no brofo no crowd dey say ja opona no ye doctor me dem no me ye kotokoneas atrial fibrillation eno na onya ye against Luton nsi obeto a from medical be chirem so awadwa but he got atrial fibrillation
and on a cofa we
no ye championship playoff Wembley kakraka na Luton fo ani je dani nyina no okotwa hwe
bishop that me ba there's all like be a mechanical for here na we issue na ze Rafael Jamna de ni bia
sa pepepe mira enu nti na yekofa Jamna ba ye no at some point right Lockyer must accept it say na ya pambo ka kire de bia no sunsumpe
azo na na emre odim ade ba ku bi ade bia wo kan mo am dwian on na mitimi dwian na like me ye me kai bia wo se gumi ye last time you should be now kai say wo ye de oya ile wu
debi
da bo bre so
ye ni mra so na ewu
black sa se be de bia aka sa se like we be mo bia wa ya da wo for years o pe wu no bo nya o bo bi o de nam de ba bia wo so ye okay no ade ju pela wo hu ni pa no
akua e wo se wi ya frɛ akua se ne maame yae o metina ne maame hu akua be fa ho awu
aba ba bele da so
da ho so se akua na de na wa yi
are wo se mwe
so what I say ntimi rei a football no ne wiase mu nsam ne neoma no o ka Tom Lockyer ni de eboma ba bia wo bia no edika fasedama nyame emma obi aso ntra ba bi nka ntwe se wiase we nyame ni ho
yes
wiase there's a supernatural control nemu kwesa ade a wo de wakoma ahwem sorry anopa bia ko training sa isai health until say Lockyer must give up his ambition or the team not qualify about and we are no intima mobile
we dem nya sure so me abesa bobo biem
na Lockyer akomia unipo di control get to obese di ma no Fabrice Mwamba
yeah
wow mama ne di kan check oil
first person I mean quickly
no the two or no do other I won't say this here Bishop Adu are wow
we need to pass
if they should get the video for us we will know the extent of how that situation
the emotions
so
okay you know
you have to take meeting town coach this all so
Rob Edwards
man space
na home emra
kakra
ke bibrebe na ye koba ye bishop one day Sanyo Nutia David does no matter you are any so make the most of the time you spend with people okay and many people could be in fact sabi ni bibi boni bi mesha wosoma or time nya wakoma ya mama afi anije o se unya wa asase so unya because there be bedru wa ubewu o ma be hwom papa o mu se nya wo ya ma o naming ceremony no nkwa de funeral twen
dawo ala wonsi adawo
e dawo chonke na ya because okwa adwuma ba oh papa me name papa ka copper ne virus and I'm in din komo about what from the presenters then Dover FM Demarcus mo ne ka say 6 minutes later friend and for do on accident
ne ka say
606 of rare I fear do nukuru fi bibi ani ba no se o me ba me nam kwa so enche bia nyame adom ba bedru
the next 6 minutes of friend no na
okay nti on hiti na aduane ne
afra ni kunu na wu
na no nimre na weekend dem say Lazio match no
yeah
so Lautaro Martinez ashego na wa pija ni jersey na Lautaro ni o say Suareza Bahia Blanca na em say o de ahoden e Bahia Blanca e de na si wo ho ke Bahia Blanca ho no so a e ho na ye wo no ho no free Subrantam nim frama jampantrudu abo afa kuro no mu ama nipa du miensa ewu ke otini ba bi o so ya watu baby a ofiri no ya akora no ofiri no edan ebubu nipa ewu electricity bi adundum a storm e say kuro no nyina is on orange alert tin baby en nam ne de so sumpe o
so nam na emre
some nine
bishop Abazo Bokola weekend in yeah, no crepa, no cre.
So it was a great weekend. League matches, no, any experience. Miangasa, me hospital in a way. Me, but me only Papa hospital, so 37. So
I'm in Sunny area.
And a sanity, but I've been above. Yamia don't be I come. Me too quick. Maybe I come.
Na all the member here. But who say provincial squad and the bimu there by say Angola there the 23 na Bama player ba cause ombobo ntino coaching and funny position in my about this player best how do we there.
Well, first of all, I think I saw as I said he's been a sincere player from October, FBC and AFCON January.
Yeah.
So when you're active in that period,
that's Helder Costa.
Helder Costa, yes. He's been sincere to the coach and to himself. Say no crebono born mimbubi nancy mini club mimbubi nti yamfa kwenya mo bi or sefata. It's possible the coach might even call a young player our future or prospect. That is a mark of onye the food pep.
But the way why any there.
So no I rare the intensity. But Yambona Basu, he done a great job. Say what me say, but sometimes coaches and far players also not based on performance. Players be caught tournament because of the experience or by guiding young ones nearby no how I control dressing room and the presence of dressing room or near my okay Stephen up here. You call working in Nigeria. You come to the dressing room and speak to the players. You call commandos or hobby.
Yes.
Those are the things. Some players that play a role, no, even though you're too active, but that role is very critical, very important for the player to play. So, yes, and I said, coaches will never be brum one some invited player, and yet only what the player does on the pitch of play. And it's very important we understand this. Player be or what, say you on shadow need a lot of playing time, but better me a mass. Only come here about the same position. About training, but ma come here a stiffer opposition to push Akomia to perform better. So for me, I think that our squad later, so we put the squad. The final list is what we talk about.
Final list.
Provisional there. Final list. So he's done well. He's done well. Now, and then Ali, I work now, but there are issues. So Misha say free. Ali approving that look, go African animals. Look, there's something we have to give to Ali. That is why we are the most successful club on African continent. What's the work called World Club Championship? What FIFA World Club Championship? Tell us your mukoi.
Yes.
Because he's saying.
Then need them.
First round. Then I like young 5-3 penalties.
Yes.
Ali, this particular FIFA Club World Cup, Ali Tiad, a top club, yes. In Finfio, you have Fabinho and N'Golo Kante. In this match, Marwan Tia, Ahmed Koka, and Emama Shaw, a boom on Vivian. Omuye Juma no do baby and coach Uzoma Breno di Aliu Diani. The general is back after recovery. Ambre Al Solaya. it means the Egyptian national team FIFA obey who papa because Hamdi Fati, Mohamed El Neni, any Amra Solar, the general, Ahmed Said, Eba FIFA Numa, Mubefi papa because this will be the third AFCON obo. What they say? 2017 we almost do finals. So Juma and the normal circumstance say I tired the because it's being organized in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Now Ali did back almost through a crowd. They came and delivered. They played a control game. Control game, no passing game, no manage the game very well. Much has more experience at North African level, but at this level, they can match up to the so-called big guys. First goal na Ali Malushe penalty. Hussein Kadesh Ebuti Abranti Epesita on penalty. No, he converted with cheeky ease. Now Benzema penalty. Mohamed Abdelmonem mistake handball penalty. Penalty no by. Mohamed El Shena with Chrese. I've always said that he's the best goalkeeper on the African continent. Take it or leave it. He's the best goalkeeper on the African continent. None of the national team goalkeeper didn't go that channel. Listen, he made sure that Benzema and share. You know Benzema conversion of penalty.
Yes.
Nenya nuka Feza and Bandi or ball shot be or the Nissan ball eba. And then Hussein El Shahat where penalty.
Benzema penalty no.
Hussein Shahat goal not share no curled shot into the net. At this level, they are proving that yes, we also matter when it comes to this level. And a counter-attacking pass from Marwana Tia to Emma Shaw, pam, third goal. Before we be share consolation goal, Benzema be share consolation. Clearly, the star-studded team of our Tia.
Ska for man temo want to talk.
Don't they say?
Players people bagumu.
And Omayo Mojo, but problem back and Omni Fluminense, of course, they are the Copa Libertadores current champion, Boca Juniors. And so this is their maiden edition. If it's the first time they are coming here, Ali, this is not the first time. But Neomon say Ali problem. Ali Omudu semi-final Janedum. This is where the problem is. And then are they going a step further? Omobetimia ko beyond this. And I say Yario, say Kes, Omudu ha na Janedum no. Yes. Felipe Melo, Ganso, Arias, Johnny Arias, the Colombian right winger, Kino, the left winger, and then German Cano, the Argentinian striker, John Kennedy, who came up on the bench.
Fine player.
So
Andrew,
yes. Or more Andrew, Matthew Martinelli in midfield. Now, problem, no, look, this is where the problem is. 206. FIFA Club World Cup. 2006 was a time when Ali had, for me, is the second best squad, but the first best squad in 1982-83. Second best squad because Oshwe Esam had a number of years or Ali better national team. Oshwe Islam Slater, ni Eman has anyway Goma, number of years on board national team chair. Obeshwe Ahmed Mutab, number of years. Abu Trika, number of years. Parakat, number of years. Hosni Hani, number of years on board national team no chair. Shoki Mohammed, that was a team at that time. Now call FIFA Club World Cup. So we knew say Ali Koidie, Ali went to the FIFA World Club. Omusha Auckland City. Flavio Armando Pruvi, point. Abu Trika. So then they went ahead. Unfortunately, semi-final, they met International. That was when Pato, Luis Adriano.
Luis Adriano.
No, they lost by 2 goals to semi-finals. Third place, Club America. So we need bronze medal. In 2020, they had opportunity again. Al Duhal, Qatar, they came to the semi-final. Unfortunately, Bayern, look at Robert Lewandowski.
Yeah.
Then Omoko into a third place. So they beat Palmeiras of Brazil, who are the Copa Libertadores champions. And 3-2 on penalties. 2021, Montenegro, Mexico, here. Then they got to the semi-finals again. Again, Palmeiras, semi-finals, as you know. Palmeiras, Shomu, Dudu, Rafael Vega, Frimo. Then they beat Al Hilal by 4 goals to nil. Winnie, third place. Last year, Omokoye. Auckland City there. This is Omen Shamu. 3. Pesitao, Mohamed Sharif, Hussein Lashad. Then Seattle Sounders from US. Afshan Magbi, Omushomu. Then semi-final. Almost Real Madrid. Real Madrid show 4-1. Rodrigo, Valverde, Vinicius, Ambas, Ali Malu penalty. 3rd and 4th place, Flamengo show. Now, out of the 4 times we meet Brazilian opponent, one pet and almost share and cry on penalty shooter. And now there was the semi-finals omudua. Now I say ejanedu. And then ombe winnie and now omuntimi winnie from the semi-final. It's going to be difficult. Team we Fluminense are very creative and almost skillful players and good wingers. Now, coach be Ahmed Koka, Marwan, Atia, any man shows the first time on board and Omu Juma if Angolo country for Fabinho. I don't know whether you'll be able to start them again, but I believe that even though Fluminense a good side, I think there's a performance of Modibo Alitiano, some more up in Kakra, they come at them for the first time because Inter Milan, any 2% Mazembe, 2010, Rafa Benitez, Betty Jose Mourinho, Elamin in the team, Omunkwana, Omutimi, Edu, the silver medal zone finals. That was 2010. Since they are the only African club, TP Mazembe.
Yeah, TP Mazembe.
What do you say? They are the only African club. And once again, watch something. So you see, those players normally are their Peja teams who do they play national team for a long time.
Yes.
Muteba Kidiaba goalkeeper national team. Jean Christo Kasula ball for a long time. Joel Kenwaki Leba ball for a long time. Stopila Sons were ball for a long time. Even Miala Nkulukutu, who is a DRC, have played national team for a long time. Pedi Mepenza, long time. Mihai Kasembe Club boy Sambe Kuchomuji Confederation Cup.
Yes.
Against Zemo Bejaya. Sorry, as Patu Kabango, no, but for injury. Kevin Singuluma, the Zambia national team, played for years. So the quality of that team, but unfortunately, I mean, Diego Milito, ni Yoram Pandem, near
almost strike here, no hard baby. Or say Alan Diogo.
Oh, Oka Dioko Kaliutuku.
Yeah, that's striker.
Top player.
Top player. Top player.
Top player. Injury na top player. Ose.
Say.
Oh, Jai.
Lo say to be final. Ebia no asakushia Manchester City.
Yes.
We na omra no.
Na boa no hu ye no dey ba.
Yes, it's
but also we preparation
yes,
on the ball we now ready on me dey match no. Edim pa.
It's true because of the
matches no more.
Like Akomiaka so mutimi fa we mu no mo co finals. Look at the quality of opposition. And the level of intensity ni quality no any preparation was through. And your bar or this level no and a share. That's what I could miss. And that's a very positive, very good point. But Ali the DBA maker, even if they fail to go beyond the stage like they normally don't, and 3rd place match, I'm sure they will still be able to win 3rd place bronze because they will be able to win a bronze three, which is not easy at all.
Also, at this moment in a tight turning point, they might Ali whenever they want to win the Champions
League.
Yeah,
but it's true.
We both have games where we are a bit more powerful.
It's true.
The Champions League games in it was
we share towards the same 2020, 2021, the same thing. The same thing. So, almost big kitty, but at this level, almost quality and big stage football. Big stage football. They've not been overall. Where they're not in your crowd.
I will move there. We there. Grab it to my general one or more show.
When would they
about Madrid Bonnie, we won't ever boo with it to my general one or more. So now is on Colancola Mupra paying a Mugun and sad about Masa. But one thing about Sena when he said, look, you make all the saves. So defense and sometimes look on your top goalkeeper. Make under as somebody had that free or no, this guy has proven you're top, not only a captain, but he's a fantastic goalkeeper. Now beyond that, John Fury, Tyson Fury, Papa. Now I didn't saw Papa bet 2 months, 17 February. Tyson Fury, any Usyk Alexander, undisputed title at stake. The last time you disputed was when Lennox Lewis fought Evander the Real Deal Holyfield in 1999. That was the last time you an undisputed heavyweight bout. By net 3 belt. The 4 belt is the first time I got 4 belts on the line. Now, I'll see the training camp. I say seku see a coco run. And I also send a bano or be losing bout. Now, I then a dear nebama papa. Our own neighbor, open the banner sempa. I got 2 months. I'm up Nebano. I'm okay with Nebana Kokuntokwa against Usyk Alexander. Now, Papa no air complaining.
Papa no are worried because 2 months before about a training camp ura boxing training camp bia ese enibre sonkun na wo obia share the expression na won ani ma so say obia ne abre ye bibi obia everybody in the camp and during boxing training camps 2 months before a month before yendi agro ho ese enibre sonkun so we a dietitian cry say we enibre say me yo obia we me nutritionist ese we enibre we ye wadwuma according to plan we are me condition specialist was said the say anope bia no wo de ne say be make sure say me call jogging wo ebia mountains me call jogging e wo ebia fallow place me call jogging se ne be ya menya endurance stamina e say ye ba training camp o trotro ene jogging ye ko emi ye ni ye na manye ni ye the next jogging fan ye ko e very critical and very important but so ko agro camp I saw Bia Diagro Bia Nimbre. And also I worried because Sabiu Papa no person who Tyson Fury dento wada 2. Obeso who be a Nenia Bre. Obeso who be a title come dim. Obese oh yeah the next British boxer because the last undisputed king Eleanor's was British. Obese the banu enye papa ye ka undisputed king the last one until Bibe Babium ebe ni banu. Enyele nos lose study cancer 1999 as me. So nyoko hu ye I say grow no sresre ni brebie ni ho. And I say in boxing uko gym papa bia no pay no gain. Because boxing no ye bre ye ni moja. Every top champion must subject the body to severe punishment. Sana boxing here. Uko into proper rigorous regimen. Neme do be say bema yes anya gym ko uko 20 miles here uko so 20 miles aba within time condition specialist no kono or mount time we just call time open any pace open and to ts be a condition specialist na said there no the juma ne so make sure so una mu no pom no air correct a month before a mo starch be cream a mo leaves and fish your type of fish so with the nutrition na juma all those things are things that are planned and are make sure executed but on who yes now Sugar Hill Stewart any manager and I know Sugar Hill Stewart because of Freeman or Stewart the legendary trainer the Stewart I'm surprised that or no amasa ni my echoes in the camp now I just as very angasa only Francis Ugano be kunya third round knockout na Francis Ugano but say then so brain part no man kasa na kira say obi okun boxing this is the first time okun boxing ni fair or no miss martial artist ni first bout e boxing ring mu only the WBC world champion one man when you so abru ye ko wie 10 round split decision 2 judges for the champion 1 for the underdog na eno echi o say o training is only Colin Spa. This is why the father is worried. O say Alexander is training rigorously. And now, Nibia or this year and 2 who ye, but do Diagro. Now, as you speak now, he's over $175 million rich.
Wow.
Assembly Yano, Sikano Ebasana, Sebi would di happy, wa brepping.
And
Wabiniska. Skano Basa, Abu Dhabi Amikato here, Adiania car, else sini. Babu, trust me, said net unya $100,000. I want to say, Yami and Bema, you be a foolish boy.
Yeah,
Babu Bobo, we move as we bomb as soon $1,000 here. The top is $100,000, Nasa. Because unye beat that one soon that is what he's going through. So if he's not managed, the father does not put his feet down, he might lose the bout 17 February war Saudi Arabia. That is a major challenge. Papa no as a father. Say una oba, omo when you our employer will get to the camp and put your foot down. Stamp your authority in the camp, make sure say order honomo. Because there are 2 months per naka. And then 19th.
Yes.
January, February, just 2 months exactly when about to take place in Saudi Arabia. Now, Jeremila say Daniel Dubois said, "Only Nyansan or sign contract, no Nyansan gon sign. Kobu obebuno no." Now, omumoye undercard about any the main event.
Already all local. Ojobi Zakwa Olivia Zakwa contract. Olivia Zakwa. Dubois Olivia Zakwa contract. La bo be pololo.
But truth be told, we are the third hardest puncher in the boxing division, but Ndoboni no opedodo. For 3 months.
Dubois say gentleman
Dubois gentleman can say and say when I says Obu sick. Obono round 5 on him. And it was on the belt and almost said as low blow.
Yes.
And to a gentleman there and you're bad. Said Dubois ball friend say Usik this Usik in white. Dubois in all black no. Now the point is that as you
Dubois gentleman.
Oh, you're gentleman kakra. On your bad sir. But Jeremy la no ho the problem is on tanku and you only Lucas Brown former W champion we say Ndoboni 43 months of his career ban.
Wow.
Ofan Ndoboni do that's his problem. Because only he also on bu AJ for he thinks he can beat AJ. Or your Bema uyi Dento Wilder uyi Zilel Zan Chinese nino now uyi on the third hardest puncher our boxing
Ndoboni man kwai.
But Drobon Jeremy like a Drobonino or Pedodo or a Dorsodo. That's his problem. But no free. He's a very good boxer. But bout to a crowd on testing before the bout. Set a bay horn cry no problem. Because in your answer Nancy only Jerry Forrest. I was bout to be BIA press conference. A quaco investigation into his blood. You know Mokoyana a gumko king. So the problem no ye say baby off free Americano ama onum niema no
I was about to
on me enjoy niema no nom
but
the boy is a gentleman
a gentleman the boy your how
that's how Abu Haiti
Abu sama ka be gentleman me the crowd to twede la me da ya
o enu so
ya Jimmy Sikala
enu so denye eso GB u feel bibi ka
eza be ha be akwa be siri bu fia
we do boys 3 million pounds
we don't call gentleman ka ba di me akika bom le kwe ko musi ba me kakra ajiska bedi yeah me down me buy abala yeah bro to azorabo super sika promotion me ba nyaba be me first draw no star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash okwa wako Sompa kuma ba ko 5 Ghana twagum sa na nya twa bedi esma se ba e wozo onye sika na didi 500 Ghana cedi me ko ba ya pemba be che ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash wo ramo Sompa kuma se na boy dan we ba pe de akibi eto aso ere ama Santo aso kama pretty me for my dear che me bomodin na ma ba be me first draw no na boa na ne ma kuye kama pretty me da amount star 256 star free hash Sompa sika promotion ye roche 500 Ghana cedis me no ntienche me ba na first draw no ma ba be ansa na ya tia sina fisem no ye didi dun koma na mom no True World product almost menka emfa jose na di nu pa be dwama so ya free India and ababa be ramo Ghana na ahwa ya isane ne ma no de ekọ eni cedis kwa dan the Yankofo a bomodi 8 edin wadanse ya bomodi the True World Vision capsules naba uyo bia o ani wo haw ze atenesi weni so wa beda so na wani ni twa nchina fe etimi yekọ edu bebi a wo hu se ade ne se ne tie ne gese wa fe wani no wo zampa ne man shara nko yi de me kan fodi ama ne se kọ na kokoji True World Vision capsules no na anya bi bebo na sa haw ni nyina ai edifi o ye mema no unyi no na prostate ne yekese wa rentu ana mo bedu bebi no ojonso anemba ne ye de ko akwa koto be man bi ana e ha adwen kakra di no mu di eduro bia bedwa ma so di no prostal leaf na prostal leaf no edwuma bo no ya de ano edin ye papa ojonso ntente mu jonso emu ache edu anadwo abre ansa na jonso no kra aba wono wa ya se yo ya be man ko a ko na kogi prostal leaf ni bi na nya bi na ba ebebo ye papa eri me forte so aba era ma mema no wa kono aba form wa ye mre kakra wo mpamu epeja ya pe ba ku mienu mi ensa na da ya na hometwetwe sa wa gu mema nyina ni ma se ko na kokoji me fortes ni be bebo na etimi ejina mo etimi era ma pa na wanya hoden sonko di abo ejuma join fortes ne ye ere ma ye nuano me ye ejuma den zanze boa eyi ntini mutitu no footballers no wakwa kobobo ma na afichi no odo romo pharmacy e ba shop bia aranso over the counter bia o si ni True World omadro na friend joint fortes no oye ma bi e bebo na ntini no etimi eyi yim na afia san ye ho ejuma ama ne ma koyi kama pa etimi e di amount ye football Stella ya pe join forties ni to lady fort no baby girls ne de man ya na mo de no ehiam yie papa izan zo hu bia fe but I infio no ama guys na bounce ne sa ya na ha adwen kakra bonza akomia beba behwe no ko na me ma ba behwe na me ko Ricardo Vaz ba behwe no ko na je zo de ye do ho na eze me hwe ye hwe ni eja ba ne za ya na mo antu de ko na kokoji lady fort ni bi ne be boa siesie infio bosome so a ebesa mo abunsa yi a onkonkonya ha obia na afi so kra ebesa boa ma ba na wo pa unya na ba mu etimi era ma na afi asa boa etimi apagya wakono no izanze ya na nti dene ni ade na de ya pa ne zo na masazi zo na ni akono ya na ha adwen kakra nti ko na lady fort no ko gibi na ba ko a omode aba na ye adwuma do no na di nkomo ne active core cleanse no active core cleanse ne ade a na ye adwuma ye pa ni na ne je uyo obi a ene moja no ne man hyara nda na afi du bebi a woyam uzo nsono no ya na ade bia eze ni na mobere na aye ho adwuma samboa ama ye ntime yi di fio na afi wofu aye kese a ebeboa na afi wan kasa so ye kese ase ya odi ano so do ramu bebi ase ye ma active core cleanse ni bia bere na etimi aboa form na ma no komo bia eni omundini amboa na nupa na gibi 0206 595 707 0206 595 707 at 0558 724 302 0558 724 302 no afre na oni omwedi nkomare aboa na ne makoye pretimi ada ma Royal Phone Ghana Limited zebra na open mattresses pa obeda so no wafilie yo maso ye simple kra ni na the Royal Phone mattress ni too much na dwumadi edi no ano eden oto a eche me konye me amachi me aye me ya ni nyina eto etimi atwa watono ya se achosumnye pa beda so de afa adwempa era ba brabo papa ama wanya sika pa bi ama na so mba so omo so de be ba brabo pa edi ko na kokogye Royal Phone mattress ne no a era ba nkofo edi ho adanse ejuma pa de omo bobi ye papa ntie boa emo mu nyinya awards awodo na bekia the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award they organize the 20th anniversary eremo 24 to the 2nd of so ye bomodem netimi emo mo gold award nya no nko 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yes some award okom factory premises wa peni kore omo the new ultra modern showroom bia ba demu niema bia on sabetimi akebi abofo kwan so ko akwakoje asokore mampono fiwa na oko CCC omo number no 0202 271000 0202 271000 Royal Phone rest assured call ni ambo na ne madeda dimpa nentimi emfa ema na 21st Connect Zebra number be romo masio nzo mu dino te ape nzo mu ye expert in sciatica mun common ne sen ya ye transiche no ya transa me to asinti ne twetwe ne romo esisi echiwo e romo esi echiwo bebi so wanhwe entimi antu anamon bia debi no na obaba bebubu me patro man nyesa to anamon na romo 21st Connect aso Niambo na ne man koye pa ntimi emfa emao na nso gina na nso timi bo adwuma nya no ko ya wawodo ne bi tse hepatitis hypertension stroke and afi de kaka ne de ewram no ni na be na nya boa na ne ma de ye pa etimi edi ama kama ntiko na kokojo aya sa ko mo laba ye do so aboa na yetimi scan services no ekoso massage no eni ye nche smas break ne ba no to for ne ma bi ne ma massage pa ne de machine treatment ne ka ho a unzo ho na sisi so more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omubo ejuma Kumasi and overseas junction omena free the oboase cancel cortes co junction be your makra the ome market to your musunyane nkranza techiman bibi omu ye ejuma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 Sompa achede 2023 no nyama didedia na jeze yawodai ene abomode na dwumadie kese no etimi awram na chance fi Kumasi a edi wa wo hwemi a wo wutie mi no titru no maame ekunafo no me patro enhihia mpinfo ayenie mo amotwa mu din ewo Kumasi no ozie mamu ayeze ticket bia Sompa ya hyenso de ne ne ma no wo so se wuni bia me patro ya wo dem ha ebo ye sheda tonkra ema mu nyina se momra na momra meje nti wo bi no ene ehwe ni musi ya woda beba be romantic Kumasi de no 21st December ya woda de anim ya atwe ano so anopa ni ya hye dwumadi na se omo osunwa no omo de ani romu 22nd December eno so ye fie de anim atwe ano so anopa na ahye ase na nkranza no enso ya 23rd December eno so atwe amemende de anim no so na eno so ne timi ahye ase na mom oba na unkita Sompa card ni bi arabra ka mesrew e mama me wurama man nkofa pressure bi amfa ma izanze ye sheda yida siwo si ye checkers e de amom se de be adanu du a e ma me so be ba be bo apeso enti eno ye hyehye ayaye na eno echi no ye adwinze enuanom ma me ne on papa efi mejo mo no se bi enuanom e from nyanka no ye ne on be ka bo metimi aye party a na no be din ye papa na se ne siete e be koso Heroes Park Babara Stadium on the 6th January na jumadi no e je penetimi ramdonko na etimi ahya se enti ne ye tonsa etimi afre yenuanom ani oruwani chiemu homes a odro na ya bɔ modern a yetimi akampo man kakrakra ye boa se de be omonso manigi no ebe wie pe zombe baba be ram na aboa mane ma de dimpa etimi edi amantine no orphanage homes a odro na no mo wa kwanya zemonso no betimi aba be ram ewo Sompa ye front desk ya na ma baba registration no di we no omo orphanage homes no nko ani invite omo enye wo abonten a wono ye we omo orphanage home no nko a ene invite omo ntu akwenya zefri nede kono beba be Ramo Sompa ye front desk ya no baba be registration no so ye guso ka zenduane anase sika bibibia no o de be je na aboa na niam nso no etimi e kama pa anti no momo number no 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 o send the idea beba no e Blessed Foster Anatara One Media Blessed Foster Anatara One Media anafi ara na mano enso 0241 272 990 0241 272-990 and also no send the idea beba no Blessed Foster and me patrol wagye tum so be ya aboa madwuma de na ekrabe no nyame hia pa na wakoma so ade bia onye ne kama printimi enfama na emboa na toto ende da yeso no entimi enfama mo ntino akomia so igina we no ne ehwe ne enye first draw no na ne amande da ye kama printimi enfama mo eti Sompa sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash na jouer for Champions League draw no guso koso edure mu ntwangu Bishop latest update ne mamere ezi ayese round of 16 no why na akwa shia ne ade a mamere
games na ye woni ni emira ohwe ma say PSG any Real Sociedad and Ebo Napoli any Barcelona
no I Barcelona oh okay
Porto any Arsenal Inter Milan and Atletico Madrid PSV Eindhoven any Borussia Dortmund Lazio any Bayern Munich
ejobu guzo oboye wa babi who Madrid did you
Manchester City Somba
Madrid and Man City mai bazo mo muntimi hia cause of bibi omo edi akatives be
atom Manchester City ni FC Copenhagen
na Madrid be bodey Madrid be botime
se o muko Jessica se o buye die
Man City na FC
Copenhagen
how Bishop scientists will be mame.
Manchester City in FC Copenhagen, Lazio any Bayern Munich, PSV Eindhoven any Borussia Dortmund, Inter Milan any Atletico Madrid, Porto any Arsenal, Napoli any Barcelona, and PSG any Real Sociedad. That's Paris Saint-Germain.
Na Man City FC Copenhagen. I think
RB Leipzig
any Real
Madrid never won.
That's how ball ube shipao but you have the deal who pay we know Italy ko ba do say no your more plan bia was I give ni mo ara
I give you to paya ye wo
na be all this game no dey interesting pa
can be chevy
the Pablo Simeone an Inter so I am former players and I was just say match na kasa Argentina for no bom mu too much
Lautaro
yes
Lautaro
na ayi muswa abako ne dey say na we Molina mo ne
ayi best police Ronaldo ni o
ayi abodugo di po
odugo di po ole ba la di kremo tu a
this is the intent ground na ma be caption bi intent wa kume kwa Inter Atletico Madrid or say diluted harambo versus ultra harambo so sweet
because that match there alo birthday Ricardo Munjes obenya we na no mo dey ato sana nkofo edi bi osanti so be the finally na
whatever Real Madrid and RB Leipzig no RB Leipzig and Real Madrid Lazio and Bayern Munich PSV Eindhoven and Borussia Dortmund Inter and Atletico Madrid Porto and Arsenal Napoli and Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain Any Real Sociedad.
Wow. Wow, interesting game. So you there one I can say, "Oh, can one seem CCM fa."
WWE
Endu bibia. Ti ano ye juwe for Champions League draw no. And on the ababa betu. You say nan camera say me bo we no so around but me pem so ade nko. Di ma me hwe na me tinsim na me mindi na so asan ye ya di. Munya nto wase mo amutwa we chi na abotre. Munya abotransa. E ba ade no enye we ni ade a. But yam tinsim ni nkoma over the weekend. Ghana Premier League Day 15 on Manchester na call so timere na result Mensaki and Mobo so and from Friday in Indiana, Esheba Kubichi United Intimate Nations FC, Esheba Kuma Crowd to Fook, 8 me Esheba Kuneno, and as I give no where said an embassy corner dear Korswa. How to Fook supporters and no echo could protest and Nina, it is all Mujis a Quayam Pin Fubimo, Ediomo Club and then Namso, and they said an embassy corner idea in Chayukra, 8 me and Fa and Momo near Dentuno, or joining our Rampa, how to Fook fans on a Nedrona Bomodem, near Shu Niama, a Jazampa. Club no near men na munini se lo musidi o mokono o mugiri so o mofo aso enyeyi e wo so o mo hwe no mo ye ntutuni na abu amane makwera no bi mo kasa yi nti o mo kakra
no ye ntimi nkasa ntia no na ye so ntimi ntina enya hwe ha matimi ha se ko enko relegation Santos 111 years o mo ko relegation has relegation 13 years this year the same thing e beto ye no one pam coach last year assistant coach dey ko relegation nyame nko na save ye this year why the same thing so we obia only management obeye sade we we obia only ko fa so manage team obeye sade we this same mistakes na mo repeat omun pom free team num ye na munya pa mo be support say ye na mo nyina mbam pa ye ma team no nya wata ba kuro bre 92 years nya so ye team kasantia no onko tena ba bi onhome yes no ye dabi one point competent coach young coach biadi omo said am after trap am I young coach biadi no mo my competent coach e mama ya win the matches yes say ya park so you say of glass nko a ye opobiman ye we na da ya bobo tota da ye say ye da ye ntimi na da bi ya kuma ti e da mase bi akuma zo togwe etema team ni ngwasa etema e college guess you for na see from pamuamo kotoko wusa na na afasa mom omo pamuamo nyina ese mna to say so pamuamo togwe asema ya wakato yebu pa yebu
Tiamo ye nema weekend you do any HMO ewo Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex team ya course ni nyina no e hard to fog no supporters no mo e da protest chichirinchi pa na da mi go a Richard dan so share na no so the same braba once again Richmond ayi o he said the city na bi mo crack as za bo we pa ni di room na be ye and after the game now ze Nuruddin Abdulaziz na Kamura atwebe no za crache na dem pa na izi e koso oh my ebre pa o ni abona akwa after we no zu nyina echu okore supporters ne kokasai epo mo chozo jiri se de nema esi akwa ni di room no entutua na de ye crane me amfa ma mo ntu join ya yino no and on ni watwa be how to folk supporters na oni omo edidi nkomo eboa mane ma da ye preti me ede emomo na me zan komo bebre wa chi na azu memne ni tu de ma me nkoma ni na me hwe other games no se de nema esi akwa ne no so edidi ho nkomo ewa chi ne mboa na nema de da di party ara matches no se ni siete Sunday that's nra bibiani Go Stars ebomian sama esi sama tezentimi anti we na Western North Derby na no edempa coach Steven Frimpong so Mayanga the first game of boy no and winya sankunni na after no na supporters no Go Stars supporters no the baby girls bi mu ma no mu ni ajepa na nkoma no mu di no si no mu di jai
yes sem anyama ya fanta bruta Go Stars no size yes em so dey tia akoma o ye be keli obia from this time going obia ni be sia bia we ne sa shop
Go Stars be share 3 okay say Go Stars be share 3
I don't know who you are okay say me am use Go Stars for man win I dey draw so ya che game no
game la ba na wie game no hu ne say game no say game no ye dedicate nyame ase so ma ti be dikum ye dia wura kona che a game no so me dey ase de be dikama coach no oba ya hu say bi nyama ye dey change kakra enye yie de bet ene asisa kakra nti ba ne ye bo say nyame ma nyina honde no ma players na honde any coach ni nimdie don't even find shit team man ya nya start win ni die win akosa
tia no ye gamer etimi e course no we no ya na omo matches na ya na no edem pa Samates ni bibia ni Go Stars. Very 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 tough game. I as a Espanyol ne Barcelona no. Ba me say we no na mun na wa kakra but derby no edem pa. Na bofo nya John Eduafo. Na tactical coach be ye niam ye. Abotre. Ana we wani. Na bebacho adena say make tactical good as a
on ball on opening matches. Now me train say tactical edu afobeba because from performance for Basana na me pen.
Ti omo ba no. Abotre be ye adwuma ni ye.
So out of Lions omunyam boy. Because man come so ball with a stop gap or a new coach.
Yeah.
I say yes ntino enu ahwa.
Elonwa adwuma na ye. Be edu afo de abotre bibia be fine. Ti bofo there was City score na Real Tamale United transfer Abrekum Chelsea Koshon Bako Great Olympics and she be Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko and she be ne Accra Lions 3 p.m. money so atreman and bebo ni kramo mama me table no na mindi hon komo kakra there is a league no pa de said a kofozi far away wins no say one year we points abere Ediana Dikan 27 points. Samates toss me 26. Bekum Chelsea toss me 26. Nation Services toss 9 24. Enumi Nshatreman 24. Bechem United toss 23. Asante Koroko toss 23. Legon City toss 21. And Konoye Heart Folk 17 point. And afi Eduno Great Olympics almost 17 points to game back one bebo. Do back here mediama. Or more 16 points. Or more games in Mako 9. Bebo before Akotano toss do me among sort of games in the Minua almost 16 points. A Lions toss to do so among son their ball about to do me and son Ekra doing points and all more game back one bebo then on me if you be Go Stars toss to do 9 among game back one bebo more 15 points. Carella toss to do num among game back one bebo 15 points. Dreams FC toss to do a game no Mako at 9 among so bebo more 14 points. Now Real Tamale United toss to do so among so a game no back one bebo or more 14 points. And I do watch a pound out of Lions almost give me no on bebo monsunikra 8 points. Into a pepe it is yet the Romeboa Manema did a year pray to me at the amount Commodore Donadia Cosway which but I didn't come out crania dia. Acomia family Romuka yes and I want it in Senibia ni dear Romo Shasi out to folk the bar Baby Ramune dear Coco Cosene resulta a bar weekend no meaning baby out the mefa.
I think it's sad and unfortunate for Richmond Ayi. They all go through as a house of full goalkeeper. But my make us asking we say Abu Dhabi.
But what do we know crowd ram waka me ne? How to full commodity be koso. Let's say from Bay 12 p.m. they call. Omu share ko for yantwi. Alawa. And any din komo. Na they metete tenechers and commodity omo kwa kudi no contract no mo ko terminate.
No more than aba.
Oh, and there, and they mean to mention they were as a former Abrekum Chelsea Wafa goalkeeper. Kuyubunsu.
Now, hey, has pa. Masa, has goalkeeping department. I'll grow too much.
I don't grow.
You see, you should even be picking the best if you can't produce the best in the league.
Now, Bishop Mumpe goalkeeper. Christian Ade oh. Or a free agent says here.
Christian Ade no crown no not in the or better than Koyo. No, I'm not capping.
O da be akome Ade de na da na apostle kan.
Christian Ade no was roche.
Ade akome Ade no. Se na nye pra Ade ka betima ke be Black Stars. Kan no ko bi Ade no. Dana na ne nan mu ba be bu no men ka na rose na ayi for team here ayi boy. Josephine to
you pin.
No, Genk. No, omo to omo ni na sign pre bibia na aka so be sign o. And as a division 1 super debe na mu ko bu yo. Ozo no cause of Nigeria no ne Man City kakra ne we na ntino. Goalkeeper has any go down so as compared to your local goalkeepers no. But if you win out to folks you omo pe. You be so the say be so baby omo for a check with the medical report na we say omo de ba ni manu mu ya mbo omo. So e sa.
As folk anga sam nim de home. Omo ampe kwan bi so mefa so but abu ma make us asem we say whatever I saw between House of Folk and the Nations, there were two parts of the game. There were one part of the game Richmond Ayi House of Folk and there's another part of the game on the House of Folk lose 3 points and also almost at Timika. But no be a see and I'm in person with many people.
Omo game ne kaka. Omo game ne kaka.
No mujina park no so no money rich mon ayi no.
Adende nema.
Abu, you even if say Ufilise goalkeeper a mistakes are on the pitch in front of the cameras outside there, on your actions be a better say you are not happy with the coach. Ray goalkeeper
no.
You show support for your goalkeepers at tough times. You show support. House of folk supporters will have say pa na meniaje. Which one I pon watch on in and all kunina no mo say bo mo sem de day. The man. Every single goalkeeper we are see bia on the ups and downs. Men can say which one I a world class goalkeeper or dama how to folk. And I mean can say which one I any goalkeeper betimi the house of folk agi league no. And I mean can say which one I goalkeeper house of folk enwu nusu bi da. But the person me can say you show support for your goalkeepers. Anyone can say colleagues at a moment in time omu here better than that. Na Nuruddin Abdullah captain. Na ni keeper ijina ho. O hwe ne actions nyina. Aso obisa ne say masa dey pa no. You see those actions are not needed at this particular moment. He looks dejected. O enipa o. Se bi abrabo na aye bon obi a player nche so e machine o.
O enipa te say ya.
O enipa te say ya. And said you ye mistake no. Obi so timi ye mistake. In the first place no cry no. Yebo game no cry when the quiet free kick mistake no o cry me say boy. Se say nipa no so ke betimi so blame no.
Era ball so man defend ye cry.
When defend ye
Wado omu yi we na ye hwa omu de sa ho ne ba go no ayi nations for the team omu ka no. Ayi awiwi has for omu kan one but na very very bad. Omu defend ye cry come here.
Omu defend ye cry. Nini na come from running na yeah tell me na me so be a catch yourself Richmond are your best goalkeeper on the day has baby. But we are only trying to say mistakes now why nini na echi no. This is the moment you hear mo support ye. Even if you are going to replace him. Now me say any goalkeeper for crowd na ba. Unye na jeje musa. Lipa obi aye mistake oni wi ase oba. Everyone does a mistake. Obi aye mistake oni wi ase oba. Itima mu nyini ma because eduru mre bi kwa na emu eden no mo kwa Karela nyina na kwache penalty.
Yes.
Eno na kwache no.
Ono.
Me kai one particular picture kaminya ya akada ko bi ma be kire wo. Dana no na etiate Harry Maguire no. The following
pow. Eza.
Abu
Bishop.
Me de me catch house of supporters.
Bishop why like me say. We are seven law color. Go with there. Hey.
Very for. Nyamo bi akwa ba dia ba dwuma dia yi.
You go we all do akwa yi na kwa charity ya twa wo.
The time no more be time no so.
Eh la be kalo beti bi ano e di ba.
Has fans no nya hono mu gina.
The
other side.
Hey.
First and foremost, I'm literally surprised that the attendance wasn't better than this.
Yes.
That stadium, our family feel overhead energy or a Juma Nation says if on so yeah or match no never and the demonstration took a bit of the shine away from what we were supposed to see. I'm going to placards about why they tell me person can make the match no cover but and they on TV maybe I be I don't know what they Mr. Bissau, why and ATM? Who is listening to these people? Why ATM? Me more money in tia. Talk be a federal the Nisika and then a hoarding and all the team. And yes, sir.
Yes.
I can be the Nyansa and all the team. And yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The Honourable Member of Parliament for Ladade Kotopon, former Member of Parliament, the very Honourable Vincent Soa Odutei. The Nyansa no the team, yes, sir.
Pepe.
The musical youth chairman, former GFA chairman, and a great man at that, Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo, the former military man. Honestly, the Nyansa no the team, yes, sir.
Pepe.
That's why I catch you on say. Maybe I'm movie, I'm a charm. And in the next 2 minutes, me make a sound cry. Nisio, yaw, how be as our fans we are mountain. Among kind says any page in a homa that over 100 people are coming during May 9th. Nipa de nyoma bebre na a support team. Say nipa ko ya come say be omo de omo krato ho ama team. Again, May 9th was an accident, but spiritually it was a sacrifice.
Yes.
For points. There were people in that stadium who knew what was about to happen. And open science and a commission of inquiry and I say okuja to committee ayekote ene ho nyoma no e bia na wo eno na wo party na emum house for na nkasa su ni se ka twom se mo so mpese mo hwe kotoko sa dia nsuo no beto nsuo no to am bebo mo be hwe mo sha people would die na emum people were never aware said this was going to be the magnitude ye say ye to say demonstration in this is not the first time ayana na asante he onam kwaso ko bantama bremai bem ho akogunsa na kotoko supporters na yewu kotoko ni go na obegu management na yam kra me Cambridge school then we started the 1998-99 season 99-2000 season no sa season omukoye demonstration etuototo kotoko fo no omo first match against Dwarfs omo ntimi ambo yet almost 6 points and they have it mensa about power in the history of our traditional clubs Mura and yet first time Arabatego at Intesukoko sorry yes what Titesuego Titesukoko chair has access for her and I been honor Misa Kwaya Arabatego you are more fast so those were the days of John Inu Tanona John Inu has access 10 correct that a number Jandu Park Kojo Krum Market Circle no mbishai no mo good no mo dibe gu omo so nti the fan culture of demonstrating against the powers that be enye nasem nemum na yeme ya ne say these people we mo no omo de omo jagu fo why na eti on ever musical, ever powerful chapter ono. Says this futa moka ni padudu a oni ma omuye during May 9th. Mira ayasem foforo. Ehin na club we afres our supporters we omonko e. To the point so omonko gi ni freni pumato twen e. Se na be ya ombe shekotoko kroma. We mu dem akaso omonye.
Omuye bibia ma team no.
But ever since management changed, nyoma dani. And your master has ushered themselves into modernity seems to have lost base with their fans some way somehow, which is unheard of. Kotokona some politics in international meetings, but has there so more on Tokwakana so money Kotoko beba almost a game.
Omuna kabum, omukabum baby yijuma.
It is any pay or mukwa brankasi or mukasa you will move free ho. And look at the names you are mentioning. A former chairman. Ezekiel Alamu chama on the NSC in Fion. When you Alaji Brahma can be oh yes, chapters NCC chairman. Supporters in free. They are going after one of their own. There's a lot happening there. A lot is happening there. Say has yes I know man. We would always come back to, Pobiman, the new commercial center. Some money in here to make the team better.
Yes.
And these people believe the team is not better. To say Santos a relegation has to be to me a relegation. Maybe the systems and the powers that be would keep you afloat. But to what end? Has that could be one
fair that
Mura. You want to send me branke per se. Can also supporters we are. Yeah, no. I'm a maybe Simon said, Jeff, why ATM? Who is listening to them?
The problem is talking. Problem is talking.
But as if you are okay last year, and you're back here, draw ya. Canada, Nada Cola draw la fala, yeshawa. And I bishop your bought 10 matches a week. Now, after you bought 60 matches, now 1 pointer. Now, when I baba beto.
There was a team relegation, no man who was here. That's our team. Has of folk, you see, historically, a team on penny for team supporters as some take decisions. In the past, the board that Toby was part of, Commodore Mensah's board as a chairman, as a CEO, Toby was board no. That was how they were doing. No, they listened to the supporters. How is that every millennial chairman? One of the strength. Now that Aziz Haruna Futa. Edwebina, you think has a focus about chapter 0 and chapter 9. Because supporter BBC Biano, I'm friend penny for more number to a dream, almost okay, never but omutie supporters no Eddie Omunsem Juma. So sad traditional poor club 90 because they take a decision. I support the name penny for near Cambo they take a decision. And today because supporters better than which Abbas neither and penny for me, because any munya na Cambo. To the sense of what has been recommended player Tariq Jibril I'm the thought. The late Kanu thought Tariq Jibril as don't take a point. Yes, so this was the kind of relationship more to the sense of what doesn't because a player with the epe Naya Diba Omeje to Penifenato. And yet the Bian and Penifono said Biomuch as a young one yansa, but more supporters in Yansans. And they've done that very well. From Atukwe Greenberg, Bad and Armstrong to Onankasa Kambi. But the challenge also is that you see, I said something change for. You're far back when the Deputy Minister of Communication Information every free baby every bar. Now when they are treating our own bad, banana complaining pa tamana any hono. Now okay talk with press conference or defending a Kambini or do we to do that?
Yes.
I don't have a problem if you defend them. Basebiu supporters until some of my kind to say Binyansa Nibakum. Near supporters questions of my bisa plaka nemegusinina. The supporters didn't answer. That's about the be any answer move. Nyomu ken yina nyansa be him. Unim management. We are silent supporters say be omunim for so team. Because all back on back now ain't here. Never do baby no. So tiada. Omutida now busian for ni omo namu fatim namunya. Will that make us a strong team? No. So Atabisa, who is the voice? And the only voice in us will have been Frank Nelson.
Yes.
He's also been sidelined at the board. Because no you'll be a onya butret or the supporters person. Or you'll be or the supporters nasi. Who can say baby Nanka as was what is almost chapters committee chairman?
Yes.
I was on you. Because BBC obenya botre na wa church match of the so we bia na mo etuni anko ya muso madwene say e kwan be na mfa say ya team no fa. So he's won the heart of and to one nipa we board so say be a minority shareholder. And Dr. Jonathan will say kasama. The wisest thing to have been done obi a wo e fortune so obi oboard no so ono kasa support the stay. Say be omubufu kra no na betimi aka me ne mata
omakoma abafo.
Yes, but sa ni pano kra so man akwenya ba shareholder there. Ba man akwenya kaza Dr. Jonathan will kasa ono support the so company na semality. Kon niema na okeka bebebe no sebi ensem fata enini kwam. Sebi supporters and resist serious concerns about management. Obviously has a management whatever. We have a get board chairmanship. Management whatever. We don't have a management. Management never be uniform. We don't have management. Omo ye jide omumu ekofem. Ye person sacre kakra. There's a way of doing the betimi amama pa juma be more special assistant responsible for this. But say omo mu run club you can get new faces. I be ma somebody is nanya jide sunku what team no mo. But some conformers will have omo ye with juma ma maybe on behalf of the club. But yes on bed the club then him because omo yes ana so what is the biano who show mo bufuzo mo kan then so me fa me famo. That is a message you are sending to the supporters. Say we, as I come by this is the first time you are saying this.
Yes.
He has a book. No. And and I'm saying talk about the and say you are privy
or them not them.
You are part of the board.
Them not them.
Oh, you're part of a border. Now Harris come war so you had the benefit of one's own experience of how this club was being run. Now and then nyame adom na bounce sema sabi baby wonim de 3 years old obeye niema no ya sakre mama aye papa chen dada no ene amika say dada na kwan dada na aye kan sika bom atari kakra odi kakra eno mo modibo no akotum ponchen ene mo yesi enibia ba ye di nibia na ye odi asie say basa na so what is no be do we pack rom ba before as I got okay who tina so what is nika uti bufu America because of Mumba. And how long will you continue to do this? Football, who do sika nation there? But without supporters, there's no football club. No football club can exist without supporters. And as of supporters, they are one of the most vociferous and powerful. Not can be as of supporters on their own. Sika ambeyi akot the extra mile. Say omoko year operations. You have no idea. They do it better than Koton supporters. On their own. Jai. They go all out. And yet they must sacrifice a lot on their own. Now say na nyina jegu because see omo ni gidie e wo omo mudi omo nim. Enya togbe omo petogbe asem. See so what they bia uti interview na omo ni problem with togbe as a person.
Yes.
And as an investor. But omo ni ye juma no no and form no. Omo problem no enya papa na papa no de. So what does it do so oya de? Eno kreso oya de. What do I say? Infrastructure, but football is not all about infrastructure. So on the field, then infrastructure is zero. My supporters almost cast almost tears. So we run the club no infrastructure no side by side alongside the pitch performance. Oh God, jabaku vejuregu and to be balancing. Put momu ye ba put my hasa she ekotokwa she no. Enya dia mpeso mutie ba ko no kotokwa she no ni bufu dada. Oko ni so akonya draw. Double slap no man no.
Yeah, Krobia Kakre. Weekend in Zeka winning within trust.
Yes,
speaking about as a well draw be before.
Only one that club go buy, so careful. Great Olympics for you. But
as a ball, not chances won't power.
Could have had a lot of chances.
Not chances won't.
Could have had a lot of chances. But my man can say, look, Oko Gripan did a good work upon also. Even upon your 2 clear chances. Oko Gripan, I mean, he did a great job on him. And then as we said, we are friends saying Anowaka did well. The decision saw their bias a Beba 2 now ordinary a ball right wing a bomb when they were searching for a bomb because if you man entry that young chap I don't know why I mean he's still playing Olympics no disrespect but the technical quality and no a casse or ben so or Jamon Jambo no so chabaya mudenu on Jabo Muntem and then moving into space and then or they go share on the Macalo said no they were not bad and no and so brave of people when Michael said it was interesting battle. Koroko control the midfield play very babaya and Afolamte I mean is a master passer of the ball but Mukwala upon no team from Mukwala and Kogiba Benjamin Asari. I'm learning some I'm admiring the way of commanding the area.
Yes.
I mean or shouting but as I said or shouting up Butchery. For me that's a mark of good goalkeeper. That is the Richard Kingston and Samuel type almost shouty. Also, and goalkeepers almost through, and Frederick Asari the same thing against House of Oak. As also through defenders. No, we Mr. Uno last person.
There is a house smasher to say there now.
But
as a quarter of match, there is a man. What me who Asari or da Puma as a
on to me
Bishop most studies are me who you decide that as an Niku. O go so no kra na ehye no asai pa me minim obeye bibia mo nse ball no na me pese mi but say omo from Mariana no eti
from the same from me
na I Kofi Pom so so nya na first no massive win no
big win for
local
him.
derby
big win for him. I mean Mokoye he's really putting his feet down making sure that Niema na a confirm kakra. I mean say Otifia na is a player for player they are one of the best teams on the local scene but who put the player together enough Then issue about the structure of the team. Then issue about discipline, getting hold. Then issue about injuries, attitude. So, Ono is a very tough person. Mickey there, or a good coach, but Mickey Sana Nyambono nice. That's how God created it. Yes, so behind and
Ziola Upies was a marine man can't was why Upies worrying about
no match na make we match make be
although really I can't was it
I know a jumbo say Friday to my dream
can't
Saturday Sunday now you can't Saturday Sunday matches
I also I ever feel like Calma from what they have to be while I'm boy yeah come on Elia Kawase
we are league leaders for the but I was at table no be a
but we group just a vital point tamale
they are the dangerous team in the league
so I didn't do I mean I do for the more fans I was not supporters they do be more fans
because they are hard to have purpose
also the more continue
I'm saying you can't understand
we question we are
to be so now we saw show very interesting very, very interesting.
Mate, mama kwa mano so na me fa ma frɛ for ne kakra 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 na mom no drinks ye DDS masini etu mixer 5G miso fruit drinks unye bi na boba ebeboa na wagya na so na ne makoyie pretimi ya da ma me na me fa de odi kan ewa hanom na me ne no etimi ento aso kama pa na enye ya odi ane baby a ofrefi